Bharati Academy, Rettipatti, Namakkal. I am done with one project. The project name is the Rever cleaning robot. The project is used to remove the unwanted wastage in the water. And it's used in the rivers and lakes, water and other water usage places. I have used more components in this project. The components are Arduino UNO board, Bluetooth chip, LED, motor driver, breadboard, gear motors, wheels, wires, jumper cable, HW batteries, 3.7 voltage batteries, and HW batteries and power cell batteries are used. And the project module is making of sunboard sheet and water bottle are used. This project operates a mobile phone because of Bluetooth chip are used in this project. This is my project. Thank you. This project is used to remove the unwanted things at the water. Advantages of this project is reduce the water pollution and the water is clean and used for multi-purposing. Used and disadvantages of water pollution is many people are affected by the many diseases and affect health of human and animals. You have to use this project removing the water pollution and get good health and good environment. So this is my project. Thank you.